going to learn how to make beautiful layered succulent planters. Succulents are plants with thick and fleshy parts. They are adapted to living in arid conditions or dry soil. But I've seen that many times we buy succulents from nurseries and other shops because we like how they look. But we are not able to find the right way to display them beautifully in our homes. In this video, you will learn how to display your succulents beautifully in your home. Let me first explain the things that you will need for this layered succulent planter. You will need some colored sand, like I have yellow, red, purple, blue. This is not the fine sand, but a little coarse one because I do not want the layers to get mixed. Then you will need some pebbles, the bigger ones and the smaller ones, some cactus soil, plants of your choice, charcoal. I usually use the horticultural charcoal, some glass containers like these. Then you will also need little knickknacks like paint, tape, brushes, a syringe for watering, a funnel for pouring the sand, and since this can be used as a gift, so I have made a tag like this. You can make a tag of your choice. Like always, I have my little gardener Vihan joining me. Vihan, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
So Vihan is going to make a succulent planter with a recycled jar by painting on it, and I'm going to make one with layered sand. So let's begin. in the succulent planter here, and nobody can guess that we've put a smaller glass container inside which also contains the soil for the succulent. The roots of the succulents are designed to absorb water and retain it for a longer time. So this means that the succulent doesn't have to be watered every day, but you need to make sure that you're watering it every 15 days with the help of a syringe closer to the roots of the plant. Don't try to mist your succulent and expect it to survive, because it won't survive by misting. Did you like the succulent arrangement that we did today? Please share in the comments section below. These succulent arrangements are perfect gifts for various occasions like housewarming or birthdays. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.